Hello, I'm Kyoko Mori in Astrodesign. Today I will introduce the cable tester CT1860 newly developed by Astrodesign, this product. In recent years, high-speed cables like HDMI, DisplayPort, USB, and Gigabit Ethernet have been used to support ultra-high-speed transmissions that exceed 10 Gbps. To evaluate the transmission characteristics of such cables, you may use a network analyzer to measure frequency characteristics, or use a broadband oscilloscope to confirm eye diagrams. However, those instruments are expensive, and you also need to prepare measuring fixtures, which takes time and more money before measurements can be taken. You may also use a video signal to check connectivity and noise. This kind of performance test is one of the low-cost solutions. But even if the cable passes those tests, there are cases that the signal becomes unstable or the status changes, sometimes even when the cable is physically touched. Using our cable tester enables high-precision measurement, which will immensely improve the measurement accuracy than the existing instruments. This product is low-priced and can be used for both R&D and production purposes. This is a feature of the cable tester. We will prepare several interface modules to measure transmission characteristics. First, we release the HDMI checker that supports HDMI 2.1, and we will release other interface modules in the future. Display of measuring result of S parameter S21 of 4-terminal network is supported, so it can measure not only the cable itself, but also the performance of the filter and amplifier. It is compact and lightweight, so you can easily carry it around. You can place it anywhere in your office. You can confirm the measurement results on the front LCD of the main unit. In addition, you can use a control app by PC and save the results in a PC or USB flash. CT1860 uses an interface module to meet various types of cable. First, we release the HDMI checker. I will now explain its features by using this HDMI checker. Basically, you just connect the DUT cable to the input and output port of HDMI and press the start button. The transmission characteristics are displayed in a graph immediately, and the waveform is updated in real time until you press the stop button. The measurement results can be saved as a bitmap or CSV files. You can use it for a test report. Here, we try the AOC cable that we couldn't confirm video. As you see, the waveform looks like this, and the transmission characteristics do not meet the standard. For AOC, power can be supplied from the USB port if it needs external power. This is a feature of the HDMI checker that supports HDMI 2.1. This product can test not only the metal cable, but also the AOC, active optical cable, which often has transmission issues. Since it supports wide frequency ranges from 100 MHz to 15 GHz, HDMI 2.1 cable can be tested. Each TMDS line can be checked, and you can also display the data line one by one. This is very useful. Also, you can check voltage and wiring of HDMI-specific control lines, such as DDC, HPD, and CEC. This is also a unique function of this product. It also measures voltage and current values of plus 5 voltage lines, so you can confirm the power consumption of the device that is used in AOC. Next, I will explain about the PC application. Basically, the PC app can do the same thing as the front panel operation. Use the LAN port when you connect it with a PC. Since the measurement results can be saved to the PC, it will be useful if you use the data in Excel format or paste bitmap images in your test report. You can select the operation according to what you see fit. You now understand the powerful advantages of this CT1860 cable tester. We recommend it with confidence when you evaluate transmission characteristics of high-speed cables by minimizing its time and cost for testing. We believe this product shows the best performance not only in R&D and production lines, but also in a wide range of applications. If you have any questions, please contact Astrodesign or your local distributors. Thank you for watching.